Hi guys, I just wanted to film a little short video, like under 5 maybe, on how I do my eyebrows. And you know, we're gonna have a good little fun time. It's gonna be great. I need to move that out of frame. That's a lesson. Also, I don't know, maybe I'll put this at the end of the one where I talk about hauls, which I guess I should say to you guys, is that one of the dresses didn't fit. I got a refund, so that's fun. Hopefully I remember to include that bit. So that's fun. A black felt tip liner. It darkens up my brows so that it's about the same tone as my pomade. And then I have very red skin tone. I have a very neutral skin tone, but my foundation's very red. So I like, if I can find it, I like to wear a neutral. I like to wear a matching, you know, same tone. Oh my god, concealer. So flat. I had an influx of subscribers. That's crazy. There are 89 of you right now. Like, I know YouTube's like a marathon and not a sprint, but excited to hit 100. It feels attainable this year. Can't fuck that up, but we're just gonna fix it. And then I take a boop. And just pat it into the skin. This is unrelated to that, but that's how I do my eyebrows. Alright, so this is how I do my wing liner. This is a felt tip pen. I have a mirror that's a bit away from me, and then I have handheld mirror. I look down, and then it's like my worst swing. Like with everything, I learned it from someone else, but so boop, boop. Super fun. So I put my wings on. This is
AG. That's my favorite AT.
okay. Do I even need to get close? Maybe. Boof. Boof. Okay, so this is how I apply lashes. Okay, so I take your lashes and you make sure that they are properly trimmed. These are just beauty store lashes. I'm a tweezer gal, so make sure your lashes are going the right direction and are cut to your necessity. Always trim your lashes. You know, be conservative, obviously, because you can always cut more, but you can't cut less. But you know, so you just boop the goop. Again, like I did for mascara and for liner. For our mirror, this mirror, boop.
Even though they with me, they didn't take care of the baby at all in the last 5 episodes, and it's pretty frustrating because that's what the whole thing is about. God, I'm having a flash of brilliance. Remember the first homecoming after Tony left? When you and I went together in matching jackets? Let's wear those and bring some OG forget about Tony vibes to this day. Yeah, these forget about Tony vibes are gonna be sinister AF. But the last 2 episodes were kind of fun. today Thursday? It's actually the day before the day we're waiting for. Jesus Christ, man. When will it end? Anyway, one more night means it's drum roll, please. Teething time. Mr. H, that's what broke last year's class. And it all begins when I flip this switch that makes him cry for 24 straight hours. Dude, this guy's fucked up. How do you want to handle this? Switch off at midnight? Just let me handle it alone, Curtis. You put up with enough already because of me. You hear Herbert? It's too much for one person. Can't you just, like, put it in a... Mom, do you knock? Of course not. Of course not. I'm fucking hot. I don't announce my presence. I walk in. I start shooting. All Leah's moms are bastards. Do you want to see Leah over the years? Including her awkward middle school phase, her punk phase, and some recent stuff? Oh, I'd love to see some middle school phase and punk phase and recent stuff. Want to see her in her first school play? She did Bye Bye Birdie. Wait, Leah was into theater? Oh, let's get it. Oh, give me one last dance. I don't know. Is that a real song? I don't know. She has a good voice. Thank you. Oh, I found a bit of rock band, Leah. What? What is here? What is done? Wear pajamas, guys. You guys are fucking insane. Oh, good morning. Pajamas? No, I just wear the same clothes every day. I really give shit, but it's a lot easier. I love you so much, Curtis. I love you too, Leah. Hey, yeah. Here, I'd love to be your bigger companion. Dude, this is so worth it. What should it be? Well, skunk fuck. How about that? Perfect, skunk fuck. And you can call me, make up Leah's pet name. Dude, this is awesome. My babe's pet name. Sloppy Joe the Lizard. Stay the night with me, skunk fuck. I don't want to let you go. Bring us together, Sloppy Joe the Lizard. Oh, man. Did I ball out and buy the $7 one? I'm gonna do that. So does this mean we're lesbians? I think so. We're back together, Sloppy Joe the Lizard. I didn't even think we were broken up. I want to kiss her. Alright. Yo, take a drink every time these two kiss. Bruce and Leah are not gonna get their happy ending.
Okay. You know, that was fun. Went through a couple of basics, how to apply lashes, wing liner, and brows. And you know. Okay, so you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok at Megan_Blush. Link in the description. You can subscribe generally where my face is. You can check out my 2021 playlist full of just all of this year's videos and even last year's videos if you're interested. And we'll put whatever ends up being the closest to my birthday video here, and whatever's there before will just be empty. Oh, this is sick. I love it. This is sickening. I'm like a slime creature on the liner, the blue and green, the big heavy lashes. I love under eye lashes. Let me know any other basics you want to see me try and explain as best I can down below. Bye guys.